Hey there, so it's Andy here for Go Nomad, aka Pigs on Bikes, and today we're in Costa Calma, Fuerteventura, and this is the African market. Check this out. Right, so they have the market here in Costa Calma on Wednesdays and Sundays. And because we're only 100 kilometres off the coast of Africa here in Fuerteventura, then for some reason they call it the African market. So you need to get here a bit earlier than us actually, because as you can see they're closing up now. Actually it's 1 o'clock. Supposed to finish at 2. It took us a little while to get here because we parked at the other end of town, but we stopped for a coffee on the way, and let's just have a look around now. Here we go. We'll just cycle around here and back down one of these other aisles. Yeah, but we stopped for a coffee on the way. We didn't get in till about midday, so by the time we got up here, well, probably a bit before midday actually, by the time we got up here it's now 1 o'clock, and as you can see they're all closing. But yeah, twice a week, if you want to find out where it is, it's just behind the police station. Okay, and that's the easiest way to describe it, because it's kind of on this piece of waste ground, if you like, a little bit out of the town centre or village centre, and it's on the other side of the main road from the beach. So if you're starting on the beach, you want to cross the main road that kind of runs through the village, and then you can see the African wares on sale here. We can just have a good look around now. So there's some quite cool things here. There's some more authentic stuff here and some not so authentic stuff, if you see what I mean. But I do feel that we've missed the boat a little bit by getting here a little bit too late. Here we go. Hello mate, you alright? Nice Metallica t-shirt, that's cool. And lots of jewellery and leatherware and watches, lots of watches, bags, and there we go, you can see here African influenced kind of wood carvings, and obviously aimed at the tourist market, but a nice little bar at the end here if you want a nice little fresco or maybe a beer. Let's have a little walk down this aisle here. The prices are quite reasonable as well. You know, I guess that you can do some haggling. I've not actually bought anything for any of these yet, because we've only just got here and I wanted to get the video before it all closed up completely. So you can do some nice dog collars there, or pet collars, some jewellery over there, t-shirts and things like that. Let's just have a little, like I say, it's all tidying up a bit now, so we kind of missed the boat a little bit, but it's not too far to walk. It's 5 minutes or so, 5 minutes, 10 minutes from the beach, and it's not too big a village either, so from wherever you end up in the village you could probably walk here within 15 minutes or so. It didn't take us very long. So like I say, it's on every Wednesday and Sunday, and I think they start about 8 o'clock in the morning, and like I say, it's now 1 o'clock, and people are just now finishing off for the day. And it's quite hot. We're here in just before Christmas. It's December 2018, and it's not overly hot really. It's coming up for 26, 27 degrees, and like I say, it's 1 o'clock now. There's Richard. Say hello, Richard. And plenty of parking, and even modern facilities such as portaloos and things like that. And you can see the absolute let's just pan the camera up there a bit and round. So there we go, so it's Andy here for Go Nomad, aka Pigs on Bikes. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to email me at gonomad123. Let's just swing around there and do that again. So, sun's in the right direction now, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and email me at gonomad123@gmail.com, and check out the website gonomad123.com, and stay safe out there. Cool.